Hey everyone, welcome to Net Nimble. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a poll on Facebook and engage with your friends and followers. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook application on your phone. You'll land on the Facebook homepage where you can view posts from friends and pages you follow. Now, tap on the menu at the top right. After that, tap on Groups. Inside the groups, click on the plus button at the top right and select the Create a Post. Now, all the groups you have joined will be displayed. Select the group where you want to create a poll. You will on Post Creation page. From the option below, select Poll. Here, you can create and customize your poll options. Add as many answer choices as you want for your Facebook poll. If you want to allow people to select multiple answers, toggle on Allow Multiple Options in the settings below. Edit all the poll options as you like. Now, you can add your poll question in the text box. Make it clear and engaging for your Facebook audience. Once you've added your question, tap Done at the top right corner. When everything looks good, tap Post at the top right corner. And that's it. Your Facebook poll is now live and your friends can start voting. And that's how you create a poll on Facebook. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to Net Nimble for more Facebook tips and engagement tutorials. Thanks for watching.